Become Mr. Bhutto Women University now introduced ACCA program under the visionary direction of Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Temina Mangan continues to advance the professional and business opportunities for women. Studying ACCA at BNBWU offers you the best learning experience. The top 3 students from the admission test will receive a 75% scholarship. BNBWU also provides support in securing a 3-year ACCA training placement at leading audit firms or reputable corporations. So don't miss this opportunity. Apply now. For more information, visit www.accaglobal.com and www.bnbwu.edu.pk/ACCA.